Hi guys, this is Marieta Oslanec, founder of ImmigrationBIz. In this video, I'm going to answer some of your questions that you posted on Facebook page below the video that I did last week. And that video was about green card and frequently asked questions about green card. So I decided to answer some of these questions in this video because I have received many questions and I believe that this is going to be helpful for you guys. So let's start. The first question. Mr. Pirzada, I'm not sure how to pronounce your last name, so if it's wrong, excuse my pronunciation. He's asking, I'm working journalist, been to the US on J1 visa as fellow. Can I apply for green card from my home country or any alternative path to get US citizenship? First of all, if you want to get US citizenship, first you need to be a green card holder, in other words, permanent resident. And after 5 years of being permanent resident, you can apply for citizenship. There is no other way, unless you marry someone, and after 3 years of marriage, you can apply for US citizenship. So for you, if you are working journalist, there are ways how to get a green card. However, this green card you need to apply at the USCIS, and if you apply at the USCIS in the US when the petition is approved, then you might get the green card through consular processing if you are in your home country. So I'm not sure if I understand the question correctly. There are ways to get a green card, of course, through employment, through marriage, through lottery. I did a different video on this, so you can check out the video, 5 ways how to get a green card to the US. And if you have a sponsor, meaning you have employer, then your employer can sponsor you and you can get a green card. So check out EB2, EB3 green card options. Possibly that could be a way for you. If you need further consultation, you can contact our office and schedule consultation with us at office@immigrationbiz.com. All right, next question. I need visitor visa. Can you tell me right away if my application was refused? You're probably talking about the, I'm not sure if you're talking about the lottery, green card lottery, or you're talking about the application for visitor visa. If you apply for visitor visa, usually it's quick process. So you go to the embassy, you apply. Before you actually go for interview, you fill out the S-160 form online electronically. You submit the form, schedule interview, then you go for interview, and they will tell you right away at the US embassy whether you have received your visitor visa or not. If you apply for a green card lottery this year, you will need to wait till next year, and you can check it out in May 1st. I believe it's May 1st, whether you won or not, whether you were selected or not. There's no other way to find out earlier. All right, let's talk about this question. Muhammad, I'm a government employee and my wife as well. I'm interested to go to the US for a visit. Please let me know the process. Okay, I'm not sure what government employee you are. If you are diplomat, then in that case there are diplomatic visa for you. Now, if you're not in the diplomatic or the mission, then you need to apply for a regular visitor visa. So I guess I need more information on this, what you meant by government. Because you can be employed by government, but doesn't mean that you are qualified for diplomatic visa. Either way, you can check both, either diplomatic or regular tourist B visa. And in both cases, the process is pretty straightforward. You apply at the embassy, US embassy, consulate in your home country, so you don't have to go through your CIS. It's pretty straightforward process. It's not that hard. I hope immigrants are not looking for fake marriage. I would like to go to the US someday and get married. Well, some immigrants are doing fake marriages. We don't recommend that, of course. What I mean by fake is that you marry someone for a purpose of getting a green card, but that's not really, it is marriage, formal marriage, but it's not marriage from love. So that's what I mean by fake. Of course, we do not recommend this, and it's also very risky because the interview process is pretty strict. They ask you very personal questions, and if you don't know each other, you are not able to answer the questions. And those questions can be very intimate questions. And if they find out that you cannot answer questions properly, they will separate you to 2 different rooms. And after that, they will ask separately questions. And if you cannot answer them, your application of green card will not be processed. Okay, after Trump wins, how could this be possible? So this video was about the green card that I previously did, ways to get it, and you asking if Trump wins, how is this possible? First of all, I'm saving myself from commenting on the impact of election results this year. I will do proper video on this topic in the near future. Right now, the fact that Trump was elected is not affecting current immigration system yet. Election results are not affecting current immigration system. So, of course, you can still apply for a green card. There will be a slightly change in the green card category EB5 because the program EB5 itself will end on December 6, 2016. So there will be a change. And the change might be that they will increase the minimum amount of investment from $500,000 to $800,000 into troubled or targeted employment areas. And in case of direct investment, there will be an increase from 1 million to I believe 1.2. So I will do another video on this topic. If you are an investor, if you're interested to invest to the US, I will do proper video on this topic. If you have any questions about that, you can ask them, state them below this video. So simply put, Trump election results are not directly, immediately affecting the immigration system. So that's why. I hope I answered the questions properly. Last question that I'm going to answer is, I need health visa. Okay, so if you need visa for medical purposes, you can certainly travel to the US on B visa, and those are the visitor visa, or ESTA if your country qualifies. If you need to visit a doctor, or you are going for anything related to medical condition, you can use a regular visitor visa. If you have any questions, you can certainly say them below this video. Also, if you need more thorough answers, you can definitely contact our office at officeimmigration.biz.com. So I hope these answers help you guys. And if you have more questions, please leave them below this video. I will answer them in my next upcoming video. So stay tuned. And also, if you like this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Immigration Biz. Thank you so much for watching.